Goofy Goobers, it's your boy Man We Begin. We're gonna play Piggy Build Mode. So new. I didn't name it yet. Name the town. Let me press it. You click. Pop. Oh wait. Oh. What else? Oh yeah. Wait. Like this. With the elevator. Let me show you. This looks so cool, right guys? And yeah guys, like and subscribe, like to this video, subscribe to the channel, and then you're gonna make me happy. Well, now and put notification on for videos. Let me put Bali. Let me put night. There's no content for it, but I'm working on it. Okay, the point of the game is like you came back from the ruined mall. You went in and you see a car or something. Then you pass it. No, don't tell me it's gonna do the glitch. Come on, you could do it, the pig. You could do it. Destroy me! Yes! Run. Get it! Please do Five Nights at Freddy's me. Oh my god! Get it! Oh, it's scary. Okay. He's on the table. Got it. Oh, hello, Giraffe. The point of the game is like you came back from the ruined mall, and then you went in the subway, and then this subway is bad because the subway got like people, like they got the people like they stole the people, and we needed to find a place. But there's one bad thing. We get captured. We supposed to go in the train, and then like we supposed to put the signal, and then the train will come. Then we won't have good ending, but bad ending. The cop captured you. The next chapter is gonna be the jail cell. Got the key. Yay! Got the ends. Woo-hoo. And I finally made the vents better. Wait. Got it. The wrench, this looks so cool. Bro. Okay. Okay. Now the fire things work. Can't even pronounce it. Feels like I'm Son from FTV because of the Bilmo map. Yeah. And we saved Gigi. JJ. Oh, what did it even? We need to go in the vents back to put the diamondite. And in that place, there's gonna be the plank. I put a other plank here because you need 2 planks in there. In the room that we got Mimi. Okay, I need to go to this place. Bap. Be careful, don't touch that red thing because if you touch it, you go straight up to heaven. And I need to get the plank up here. Got it. Okay. This is the monitor room that Giraffe was checking the cameras. Right here, I don't know what happened. And oh my god! That literally scared me. I thought it was gonna be the end. I am so dumb a little bit because why did I put this? Okay. Let me double jump. Up. We don't need the blue key already. I am so scared to test that. Got the orange key. Excuse me? No way. Oh, finally. I was about to say, should I end not the video, should I end the game? And right here, on my sodio. No! No! I moved. Come on, the blue key was right there. Why did I do that? And right here, it will stop. And right here, it won't stop. Okay. But I'm supposed to make the cutscene already. Bro, I bet you this is God of War for real. I was almost gonna go to. Is this stuff? I was about to say, oh my goodness, I need to end the game. But hurry up, the cop will come up anytime. He's gonna. The cop is right. Okay. Got it. Okay, that was actually scary. I was so scared. I need the hammer. It was in here. It's in the vending machine. Break the door. Let me get the Mimi thing. I don't know, what do we call the blowtorch? Yeah, the blowtorch. You go, Isaac. Okay, there's no cop. Let me just be invisible. Where's cop guy? I see cop guy. Why is the car literally flip over like that? Right here is escape. Let me show you. The escape is supposed to be the place that you need to put the signal, and I need to make the cutscene for the right here is right key. It's right key. Wow. Spending a lot of time by saying that, bro. Yay! Bop. My favorite part for no reason is the vent. I don't know why. Fire extinguisher. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. The blink, bro. Bro. Stop jumping. I need to be careful with my hand. Bro, does it even work? Glony! Bro, you're going in the... Bro, do you know you're gonna... Can I trap? Bro. Bro, can I even... Okay. Got it. You know what? I'm just gonna go for it. Oh my goodness! Ah! Are you going to help? I don't want to test the CPU because I'm just gonna run for it and then lava touch me. Oh my goodness! Oh my god! We're going to Pam. Hurry up! I want to get in. I'm gonna use this for No, never mind. Bro. Oh, finally. Yo! Oh my. I really have to. Why do I need to do this? I am so scared. That I want to Silverman Timbers! Yay! Got the key. Oh my goodness! I was like, why did I even put that? Like, why did I even... Yes! Yes! Whoa! I am so dumb. I am so dumb. I forgot about that. Okay, right there. Right here. am. Oh my god, they scared me. They scared the heck out of me. If you want to, I'm so scared. If you want to get out, you need to to have a friend to get the gas, or else you won't. If you get both of the if you get both of the gas, you will win. But you can't hold two things. You only hold one thing. Yay! But first, I need to bring one gas. I know it says two gas, but there's nobody with me. Bro, I went in the wrong place. I'm actually so scared. I am so scared because of that lava thing. Okay. I'm so scared because. Okay, I was about to say, is there shoulder? Imagine there's a soda. Let me just grab one because I have. Okay, I don't know what are they doing with me, with Bunny. Bunny's supposed to be with the elevator, but something happened. They moved the. Yes. There's no end cutscene, by the way, because it's like under. Oh yeah, guys, do you know God's Will actually got deleted? If I test it, I'm gonna get deleted and peaky. Okay. They got deleted. I don't know why. Maybe, I don't know. But I need to bring policeman. And I'm gonna slap policeman if they do the 5 Nights at Freddy's. Whee! Come on. Are you coming, doofus? You want me? You can't get me. Okay. Bye-bye, doofus. I have the gas for the what do I call that, for the thing? Yes! Boom! I got out. Okay, I think I'm gonna make the. Okay, I'm gonna make it intro scene. I'm gonna put player. I'm gonna put Wello. I know I didn't put Wello here, but I kind of don't want to. Yeah, because it will be. Well. I mean, well. The other part is okay. Wait, I put in the wrong. I'm a doofus. I'm so dumb. I am so dumb, bro. No. No, that's the wrong, There's gonna be no thing. Okay. I'm gonna do it later, the cutscene, but not in the video. And that's all, guys. Bye, Goofy Goobers. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.